Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Happy Monday to all of you. It's Monday. We'll start our struggle for the week, and starting with a very high hope that this week will go very good. The days coming ahead will be very nice. The situation in the country is very bad, but I just hope and pray that this week brings a lot of happiness to you and to your family, the good health and everything. And I'll start my day with kada. So this is my like everyday go-to drink in the morning. A lot of benefits. आपके घर पे भी सब पीते ही होंगे. This has become a tradition now in Corona to start your day with a kada in the morning. So even I do that, and it tastes good. Uh, with so much health benefits. So this is like हमारे एज के लिए ये एक वैक्सीन की तरह काम कर रहा है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दे दैट सो आज से नया स्प्रिंट स्टार्ट होएगा, नया काम है. तो अभी लॉग इन करेंगे. So usually my work hour is like working hours is of on approximately 8 hours. So I log in at around 11 and log out at 7. So right now I'm stuck into this lockdown stage. So I'm not able to like I'm not doing a lot of things. मतलब घर पे ही बैठे हुए हैं, तो जितना भी कैप्चर करेंगे वो दिखाएंगे आपको. तो अभी 11 बजने में 4 मिनट बाकी है. अपन लॉगिन करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद मिलते हैं आप लोग के साथ थोड़ी देर में. कल लंच वंच के टाइम पे देखते हैं आज क्या है लंच पे, फिर कनेक्ट करते हैं आपके साथ. चलो, टेक केयर पीपल. Welcome back, people. It's tea time. So the day is going good. So it's almost 6:30 now. Almost done with the day. The work was not that much, so thought to have a tea. And in this tea there is a lot of adrak, ginger, and what else? Lot of different things my dad has put into it. So kind of an healthy tea, and it will refresh me. So the day is going good, as I've just said. मज़ा आ गया. सो बस वही चल रहा है. स्टोरी पे डिटेल्स नहीं है तो काम वाम ढंग से हो नहीं रहा है. अपने एंड से स्टार्ट कर दिया है काम करना, पर इतना कुछ डिटेल में कुछ स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. तो कोडिंग स्टार्ट करी है. उसके अलावा क्या, उसके अलावा सब ठीक है. देश का हाल बेहाल हो चुका है. एज यू ऑल नो that we are in a very bad situation. Like we are in a situation where Italy was in the first when the first wave hit us. So I guess the situation is similar to somewhat like Italy, where we used to see that they don't have the places to do the last rituals of the people who were getting dead over there due to corona. And I guess over some reason the situation is same here in India as well. The more I see the news, it's getting very depressing. And matlab, I cannot say who is responsible for everything, but somewhere I feel that as a country we have failed, both people as well as the leaders. We should have taken the extra precautions, and we should have built our health infrastructure when we got the time. There were absolutely no cases. I will not say no cases, but the number of cases were very less from the month of I guess from month of September onwards. The cases were getting lower and lower. But again, we saw such a spike in the month of March and April. The situation has become worse. So there are a lot of reasons behind it. What I personally feel is that period when the cases were very less, we should have paid more attention to our health services, to our health infrastructure, and since we did not do that, we can see the consequences of it. So, I mean, I'm not against any religion, and I'm not against any step taken by the government for anything. So the only thing that I feel is that was what was like, do we actually need a temple in which we are investing 2000 or 3000 crore, or we need a or we want a health facility which is up to the standards, which can help us fight this pandemic. So I have a mixed opinion on that, बिकॉज समवेयर आई फील दैट कि यार हम इंडिया में एक छोटे से पत्थर को रख के उसकी पूजा कर लेते हैं और उतनी ही श्रद्धा भक्ति से करते हैं जितनी कि हम एक मंदिर में जाके करते हैं. तो जो भी इनिशिएटिव था मंदिर बनाने का, मैं ये नहीं बोलता कि उस मंदिर नहीं बनना चाहिए, मंदिर बिल्कुल बनना चाहिए, पर क्या वो उसको अभी बनने की ज़रूरत थी कि हम उसे थोड़े साल के लिए पोस्टपोन करके तब बनाते जब हम इस कोरोना से आगे बढ़ चुके रहते, हमारी हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छे से आगे बढ़ चुकी होती, मतलब हम हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे आगे चले गए रहते, एंड देन वी कुड हैव बिल्ट दिस. तो आई गेस तभी खुश होते. पर अब ठीक है, जो भी सिचुएशन है वो तो वर्स ही है और कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसको लेके. तो इट जस्ट फॉर लाइक इन माई हेड, सो थॉट टू जस्ट शेयर इट आउट. मैं किसी भी पार्टी के अगेंस्ट या किसी भी लोगों के अगेंस्ट नहीं बोला, कोई किसी कम्युनिटी के नहीं बोल रहा, क्योंकि वी आर ऑल इंडियन एट द एंड. वी जस्ट नीड टू एक्सेप्ट दैट. एंड ठीक है, बहुत ज्ञान की बातें हो गई. अभी मैं अपनी चाय एंजॉय करता हूँ और फिर मिलता हूँ आपसे जब एक बार काम ख़त्म हो जाता है तब. ओके, टेक केयर लवली पीपल. Welcome back people, and it's dinner time. So we have sabji with paratha and some chutney. So I'll have my dinner and I'll enjoy MSD. Catch you in some time. Bye. Peace. Do this every night. Gargle. Try every night. Welcome back people. So it's almost 11 o'clock. Time to sign off for the day with you guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, and even though if the day was not wonderful, we can always hope that tomorrow will be a good day for us. So always keep that hope that the next day is gonna be our day. It's gonna be a nice day. So with that hope, signing off with you people. See you tomorrow. Bye lovely people. Take care. Peace.